애견남 테토녀. Hello everyone and welcome to One and Only Korean channel, where we make learning Korean slang fun and easy. Today, we are diving into two trendy new Korean slang terms that are becoming as popular as MBTI for describing personalities. 애견남 and 테토녀. 애견남 테토녀. 애견남 테토녀. These words will be super useful when you're chatting with your Korean friends. So, what do they mean? 애견남 refers to a sensitive and emotional man. Here, 남 is short for 남자, meaning man. And 테토녀 describes a frank and straightforward woman. In this case, 녀 is short for 여자, meaning woman. These terms come from hormones. 애견 is short for estrogen, known as a female hormone. And teto is short for testosterone, a male hormone. Interestingly, you will also hear 애견녀 for an emotional woman and 테토남 for a straightforward man. So it's not strictly gender-bound. Nowadays, instead of MBTI, people are using 애견/teto types test to introduce their personalities or to explain relationship styles and compatibility. You will often see these phrases on social media like, I'm totally an 애견남 type because tilde, or tilde gets along well with a 테토녀. Let's look at some examples. 그애 완전 애견남이야. 말투에서 따뜻함이 흘러. 그애 완전 애견남이야. 말투에서 따뜻함이 흘러. 그애 완전 애견남이야. 말투에서 따뜻함이 흘러. That guy is totally an 애견남. Warmth just flows from his words, meaning he's very warm and caring. 난 테토녀라. 연애할 때도 쿨하고 직설적인 편이야. 난 테토녀라. 연애할 때도 쿨하고 직설적인 편이야. 난 테토녀라. 연애할 때도 쿨하고 직설적인 편이야. I'm a 테토녀, so I'm cool and direct even when dating, meaning she's straightforward and doesn't beat around the bush. Isn't that interesting? Now you can describe personalities like a true Korean insider. What kind of 애견/teto type do you think you are? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time!